recording. Oh, just spent the last 3 hours shoveling maybe 15,000 pounds of snow off the roof. Mike's gonna do a dive off the roof. Ain't nothing but his shorts. Come on, Mike. Off the roof.
Woo!
Alright, come on
That's
over,
what
man.
I'm talking about.
That's a good way to cool off after that workout. Come on over. After spending 3 hours shoveling all the snow off the roof here. That's a good way to cool off, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
Alright, man. See you, show rough. In a big pile of snow.
Oh. Oh.
Can you see me?
Yes. Woo!
Look at all the snow on